If the wired headphones is not recognizing in your Windows PC, then this video is for you guys. Just click on start button and check that your Windows operating system is up to date or not. Just write update and click on check for update and make sure your Windows is up to date. If not, then update your Windows and see that the recognizing wired headphones issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still arriving, then follow the another method. In the second method, just update your device drivers. For that, just right click on your start button and click on device manager. Into the device manager, find the audio inputs and outputs. Just right click on it and click on scan for hardware changes. Then find your headphones if it is showing over here. Just right click on it and click on update driver. Here choose the search automatically for drivers. If there is any update found, just update it and close the window and restart your PC and see if it is working or not. If the issue is still there, just follow the another method. In the third method, I'm going to run the sound troubleshooter. For the sound troubleshooter, just click on start button and type sound. Just click on sound settings. In the sound settings, just click on troubleshoot button. It may take some time to troubleshooting your problems. If there is any problems are found, then it will show over here. Here choose your respective device and click on next button. After the troubleshooting, again restart your PC and see that the issue is fixed or not. Now move to the input section and choose your headphones if it is showing over here and click on troubleshooting again and follow the same procedure again and see that the issue is fixed or not. Make sure you are restarting your PC after the troubleshooting and then just click on advanced sound option and reset your sound setting once, then close the windows. Again restart your PC and see that the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still there or you are facing any kind of error or something, then comment down below. I will try to resolve your issue. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.